welcome back everybody. Today's video, sure I'm going to open a can of worms here, but we're going to be talking about micro SD cards and which ones I use and what DJI recommends. This isn't a best of the best video or anything like that. I'm just giving firsthand knowledge about the micro SD cards that I use in my DJI Action 4, Action 5 Pro, and Air 3S. Hopefully you're enjoying the video. Just wanted to take a second to remind you about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away one of these, a Firehouse Technologies Arc 5 Pro strobe light. Really handy for flying at night, keeps you within legal limits of the 3 statute miles of visibility. So be sure to check the description and figure out the details, but I can tell you in a nutshell, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below on this video. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick somebody who has commented on one of these videos, and I'll get in touch with you and send you a brand new one of these out. So back to the video. I'm not really sure any of these are actually on DJI's list, but that doesn't mean their list is wrong or anything. That's just you know, who they've partnered with or whatever. But I'll have links in the description to all the micro SD cards that I use and also the ones that DJI recommends. I see this a lot of questions about what works and what doesn't. So I thought I'd make a little video about what does work. All right, so here are the micro SD cards that I use. We'll start off over here on the right with this. It's about a credit card sized holder. It holds 10 micro SD cards. I really like that thing. That's one of my top pieces of kit for keeping up with these micro SD cards, because if they're not in a device or in a holder, oh man, it's tough to keep up with. So we'll start off here on the top left with my micro SD cards, 400 gigabyte SANDISK Extreme. That's one of my oldest ones. I've had that about 5 years. This one just works. You can tell by the wear on it that it's been in and out of many devices. Still works like a champ. To the right of that, we got the Samsung 256 gigabyte Pro Plus. Another workhorse. It's got a lot of wear on it too. The one below it, the EVO Plus, I don't really know what the difference is between those. I just know they both work. So that's all I've really got to say about those couple. To the left of the Samsung EVO, we got the SP. You know, I just got that off of Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link for that. It was real cheap. I took a gamble on that. I won the gamble because it works really well. So I will definitely keep that in the mix. I mean, it's also got a lot of wear on it, so, you know, it's been doing its job. So just down from that generic SP, we've got the PNY. That's a name brand. They're not known for like super high quality, but again, you know, 2 memory cards that I got cheap and they work well. I think I've got a couple more of those. I've got 10 in total, and they're all duplicates of what you see on the screen here. So those all work really well. Amazon Basics, man, not to be overlooked. They make quality stuff. As far as I can tell, I don't know who makes this particular SD card for them, but it's quality, works really well. I usually use that in my DJI RC2 controller. So all good picks.